Hello everyone, my name is Abhilash Bhagwantara Surunshi. I am from Indira Institute of Management Studies Pune, Marketing Division A roll number 02, and this video is regarding to the integrated marketing communication, that is IMC communication activities which are carried out by the Apple IMC. So first we talk about what is meant by integrated marketing communication. So according to the definition by the Philip Kotler, that marketing communication are the means by which a firm attempt to inform, pursue and remind customers directly or indirectly about the products and the brands they sell. From this definition, we understand that the companies, the products and the services which are offered by the companies, they need to make a position into the minds of customer. And with the help of the marketing communication tool, we are able to make this position into the minds of customer. So that a brand can make a relationship with the customer, and it can create a customer loyalty into the minds of customer, and with the help of IMC tools we are able to do that. So we understand what are the marketing mix for the integrated marketing communication. So there are eight consist of the eight major modes of communication, that is advertising, sales promotion, events and experiences, public relations and publicity, online and social media marketing, mobile marketing, direct database marketing and a personal selling. When we talk about the advertising is only it's mostly talk about the print media or online media, network media, videotape, CD-ROMs, display media like a billboards or signage, or the sponsored advertising as well. When we talk about the sales promotion is the tool where you can these tools you use to boost your sales. When we talk about like in any Flipkart, like a Flipkart big day billion sales, they are told that we are able to provide you 40% discount, 50% instant discount. So these are the sales promotion where you are giving the discounts, coupons or the sales promotion activities, so that you can get a better business in a limited interval of time. When you talk about the events and experiences like company sponsored activities, this year Dream 11 is sponsored for the IPL. So they use their brands for the company sponsored events. When we talk about the public relations and publicity, a variety of programs are directly internally to employee of the company, means publicity. uh, they use publicity tools, other firms, governments and media to promote their products of the company's brand. When you talk about the online and the social media marketing, we know the online media and social media like Facebook, Twitter, uh, Instagram, these are now making these social media tools are now used by the all the youth in the world. So with the help of social media marketing, we are able to place our products into the minds of customers. Also the mobile marketing, like it is the tool when mostly used for the mobile marketing, like on mobile smartphones or the tablets. Direct and database marketing, where you can directly contact the customer with the help of email, or a database, like you can understand customer behavior with the help of the data you had. And a personal selling, which is used by us from so many years, that is directly communicate face to face communication with the customers. Now we understand what are these eight major modes of communication which is used by Apple. So first we talk about Apple. Apple is the electronics company. They are manufacturing their Apple, that is smartphones, tablets, also the earphones, and Apple also launched their TV, and now they are entering into the electric market segment. So simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. It is the tagline by the Apple. From this we understand that instead of only giving about the yes, they are the number one product in the world and number one company in terms of the valuation, but they never talk about the price of their product. And this is, they only understand that by simplifying the life of the customers, we are able to make our position into the minds of customers. So first we talk about the advertising, the TV commercials and billboards. These are the main advertisement they are doing, and they only show about the uniqueness about their product. Instead of the price, they only show about the uniqueness, the features and why the customer need to buy our products. Sales promotion, Apple ads and marketing strategies convey isn't the specification and features, but rather than how the product can change your life and make it better. When we talk about the event and experiences, the research which is carried out by the Nelson, that 92% of the consumer trust recommendation that they get from their friends or the family members, and Apple use this experience in the best possible way for their product, like reviews and mouth publicity. It is mostly used by the Apple. When we talk about the public relations, uh, when Apple launched their iPhone 8, they give him the tagline that the welcome to the big screen, means they are mostly publicity their products with the unique feature that yes, now we came with a big screen and you can enjoy our smartphone with a big screen as well. Also they sponsor some events for their public relations as well. When we talk about the online and social media marketing, we know there is pay per click ads or YouTube ads on unboxing videos. These are very popular nowadays. So Apple plays those videos on the YouTube so that customer can understand what is this product and what we get in the into that box which is provided by the Apple. Mobile marketing like smartphones or tablets or these advertising or the pop-ups on these devices. Direct and database marketing, uh, when direct and database marketing, that think about the way that you can change each point of contact with your prospect or the customer in cleaner, clearer and simpler way. This is also a tagline by the Apple, that we, instead of how you contact with your customer with a clear, cleaner and simpler way, so that he can understand about your product in a much better way. That is the best use of direct marketing. And last is a personal sharing, that is trade via emails marketing, email or retail store. If we visit the Apple retail store, it is a complete white color used by their white furniture, white backgrounds, and they only highlight their products, their specification. They never mention about the price and what is the price. If they think that if we provide the customers with the best product, customer will pay us for that price. And this is the ultimate sophistication by the Apple. So this is a 360-degree view of consumers to fully understand all the different way of communication and can affect the behavior of the customer. So these are some integrated marketing communication tools which are used by the Apples. Thanks for watching this video, and please keep healthy.